we have only 4 exercises. In that we are in the second exercise. Only 3 problems left in the second exercise. So students, 11.2 exercise. All of you open your textbooks, 289 page number. 289. Exercise 11.2. 11.2. So 11.2 for fifth problem. We completed first 4. We completed first 4. Write down the fifth question. Students, all of you write the fifth question. Simple. Fifth, sixth, fifth, sixth both are on same concept. Fifth problem. In a right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q. Draw the figure first. See here. P, Q, R. Draw a right angle triangle PQR, right angled at Q. 90 degrees at which point? Q. 90 degrees at Q. Right angled at Q. 90 degrees is at Q. Now, PQ is equal to 6. Where is PQ? PQ, 6. 6 centimeters. PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ is 60 degrees. RPQ is 60 degrees. PQ is equal to 6. RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. Determine the length of QR and PR. What is this length? What is this length? That we have to find. First understand the question. In a right angle triangle, there are so many relations between the sides and angles. If any two values are given, we can find the remaining. That means we have how many sides for a right angle triangle? 3 sides, 3 angles. In that one is known, of course, 90 degrees. So these two are the angles. These 2 angles, 3 sides. So 5 values. In that 5, if any 2 are given, we can find the remaining 3. So in this, this is given, this is given. So we can find this side, we can find this side, we can find this angle also. This is 90 degrees because right angle means one angle is 90 degrees and it is clearly given that angle right angled at Q. So Q is 90 degrees, it is given in the problem. So if it is asked, we can find this side, we can find this side, we can find this angle also. Anything we can find by using these 2. These 2 are given, remaining anything we can find. So how to find? I will explain right now. In triangle, I am writing the question. In triangle PQR, it is given that Q is equal to 90 degrees. Angle Q is 90 degrees. And PQ is equal to 6 centimeters given. PQ is equal to 6 centimeters is given and this angle is 60 degrees. Angle QPR. So this is given. Same question I am writing here because we have to write some steps. So directly answer we can't write now. So we are writing some steps. What are the steps? What is the given figure? PQR is a triangle and it is also given that Q is 90 degrees. It is also given that this angle is 60 degrees. Angle QPR or simply angle P. We can call it as angle P or angle QPR is 60 degrees and this PQ is 6 centimeters. Now this side I am finding. I will find this side and also question is asked. We have to find this side and this side. First let me find this side. Let me find this side. How to find this QR? how to find QR with the help of trigonometric ratios. How many trigonometric ratios we studied? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cotangent, cot theta. 6 trigonometric ratios we studied, and many first exercise, second exercise also we are using it. So we studied them. Now tell the ratio, in that 6 ratios, tell me the ratio which consists this and this. This is the angle, means this side is the opposite side. If this is the angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. Biggest side is always hypotenuse. No confusion in this. Tell me the trigonometric ratio which is taking opposite and adjacent. These two involves which ratio? So which ratio involves these two sides? Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. We don't want. I said, tell me this ratio. Opposite by adjacent. What is the ratio? Opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Why I am taking these two? Because this is known value, this is unknown value. We cannot take two unknown values. We cannot take two unknown values. One known value, one unknown value we have to take. So opposite by adjacent is tan, or you can take adjacent by opposite cot. Any ratio you can take. You can take tan or cot. See here. Don't write. Opposite by adjacent. What is the formula? Tan theta. This is the formula. Opposite side by adjacent side is formula. I wrote the formula, but I will write opposite side. What is the opposite side? What is the opposite side? QR. See the board. QR. What is the adjacent side? Adjacent PQ. Tan theta. Theta is 60. Actually, this is the formula, but if you write in terms of PQ, QR, like that, it will be good. This is the standard form. So opposite is QR, adjacent is PQ, theta is 60 degrees. In this, QR we have to find, we don't know. PQ is given in the problem 6. Tan 60 is root 3, tan 60 value. Tan 60 value. Take this to the right side. QR is equal to 6 into root 3, 6 root 3 centimeters answer. We got this side. We got this side. What else we require? We require this side also. This side is also asked. So if this side is asked, because we know this value, you can take any ratio which consists hypotenuse. Tell any ratio which involves hypotenuse. We can take sine, opposite by hypotenuse. That we can take, because opposite we got no. We can take cosecant, hypotenuse by opposite also we can take. We can take cos also. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. That we can take, because this is known, this we have to find. We can take secant also, hypotenuse by adjacent, except tan and cot, because tan is only these two. We want this, no, so we cannot take these two. Tan and cot, except that remaining 4 ratios you can take anyone. Anyone. I will take cos. See here. What is cos theta definition? Adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta. Don't write. Adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta formula. What is adjacent side? PQ. See here. PQ. Hypotenuse we don't know. PR we don't know. We have to find. So that we will substitute. This we will substitute later. Adjacent is PQ. Hypotenuse is PR. Theta is how much? 60. Don't write. Cos theta formula I am taking. You can take sine, cos, secant, cosecant. Any ratio you can take, except tan and cot, because tan means these two, no. So this hardly we got. So again using this, we will get again this value. So we have to get hypotenuse. This, after getting this, our next question is get the hypotenuse. So choose the ratio, any ratio which consists hypotenuse. I took cos theta definition. Cos theta definition. Adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta. Adjacent is PQ. Hypotenuse is PR. Theta is 60. So PQ is 6. PR we don't know. What is cos 60 value? Cos 60 value, tell. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cross multiplying. PR into 1 PR. 2 into 6 12. Over. Cross multiplication. PR into 1. PR is equal to 6 into 2. 12 centimeters. Over. We got this side and also this side. Followed or not? Write down. Students, following or not? Any doubt? Anything you can? Anything related to the subject? You are doing a lot of charting, unnecessary charting, but you please chart about the problem, doubts, anything understood or not understood. That also you can. Okay, good. The board, is the board visible or not? Should I write big letters? That also you can suggest me, because you may be watching in your small mobile. So is it visible or not? That also you tell me. This is tan theta formula. This is cos theta formula, and theta is 60 degrees. Cos 60, I gave the table. You have to practice it. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. That's all. After understanding this, write the sixth question. Sixth question. Sixth question. In triangle XYZ, YZ is equal to X, XZ is equal to 2X, YZ is equal to X, XZ is equal to 2X. Then determine angle YXZ, YZX. The triangle is right angled at Y. This is also given. See the question. I wrote the question here. Even when we start the procedure, we have to write the given information and then we should start the procedure. So what is the triangle XYZ? Right angled at Y. Y is 90 degrees. So you write Y here. Y is 90 degrees. You can't take XYZ like this. You can't take this as Y or this as Y. Y is 90 degrees. See, right angled at Y. So see here. X, Y, Z. XYZ. XYZ is a triangle. See here, triangle XYZ, right angled at Y. Where is the 90 degrees? At Y. Be careful. So you cannot take as it is, whatever you want. See, so which angle is 90 degrees? That we have to keep here, and remaining anyway you can take. You can take this as X, this as Y, any this as Z, any XZ you can take as you wish. But Y is 90 degrees, so right angled at Y means this should be Y. Okay, over. Next, yz is equal to x. Yz is equal to how much? X. Xz is equal to xz 2x. Xz is equal to 2x. Yz is equal to x. Xz is equal to 2x. Yz is equal to x. Xz is equal to 2x. This is given. The question is, that is previous problem, no? Okay. So right angle at y 90 degrees. So yz is equal to x. Xz is equal to 2x. So yz is equal to x. Xz is equal to 2x over. Now what we require? So first again you have to write this complete, and now I am starting the procedure. From the triangle XYZ or in triangle XYZ. Now what I am taking, how I am finding the required values. So what is the question? YXZ. What is the meaning of YXZ? What is the meaning of YXZ? What is this? YXZ means which angle? So whenever like it is given like this, means we have to see the middle angle. Middle means what? This. So YXZ means this angle. What is angle YXZ? YXZ means we have three angles here. We can name in different ways. We can call it as angle X, angle Y, angle Z. Like that also we can call. That is one option. Second option is this, we can call it as YXZ. This angle is YXZ or ZXY. Middle one we have to see. Middle one, depend the angle. Next, we can call this angle as XZY. XZY, this angle, name of this angle. XZY or YZX. Like that. You know, you studied in the lower classes. So, this angle we have to find. I require this angle. How I am going to find this angle? So, this angle is asked in the question. YXZ means this angle. Middle one you have to see. X. Okay. So, how to find this angle? Trigonometric ratios. We have 6 trigonometric ratios. In that, sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. 6 trigonometric ratios. In that, tell me the ratio which consists these two, because these two are known. No? This is given in the problem x. This is given in the problem 2x. These two are given. This is not given. So, if this is given and this is given, so suppose if you are taking this angle, for this angle, this is the opposite side and this greatest side is always hypotenuse. So, when we are taking this angle, so this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, tell me the ratio. Sine theta we can take. Take sine because it should consist these two sides. So, sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Cosecant also we can take. Cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. So, sine theta formula, opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? Because I am taking this angle, no? So, this will be the opposite. It's opposite side. This is the angle, means it's opposite side. What is the opposite side? YZ. Opposite side. YZ. Opposite by hypotenuse. No confusion. XZ. The biggest side is always hypotenuse. X. So, sine angle YXZ is equal to, what is YZ? YZ is given in the problem X. XZ is given in the problem 2x. XX cancel 1 by 2. Sine angle YXZ is equal to 1 by 2. When sine will be 1 by 2? When, for what angle sine will be 1 by 2? You tell me. When sine will be 1 by 2? See here. Sine 1 by 2 for which angle? Sine 1 by 2 is for which angle? You tell, see the table and tell. Otherwise, you have to remember. When sine will be 1 by 2, for what angle? Sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. See. So that means this angle should be how much? 30 degrees over. We got this angle. We got this angle. How we got? I took sine definition, opposite by hypotenuse. Why I took only sine? Why not tan? Because the problem is opposite is given, hypotenuse is given. Opposite hypotenuse is sine ratio. Sine definition opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite yz, hypotenuse xz. This is x, this is 2x, x cancel 1 by 2. Sine, when sine will become 1 by 2, for what angle it will become 1 by 2? For 30 degrees. So angle is 30 degrees over. So we got this angle. Second question is, this angle also we require. This angle also we have to find. To find that angle we have two methods. One is, take any other ratio using this angle. You can take sine, cos, any other ratio. Or else, in a triangle, if two angles are known, we can find the third angle, because sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This is 90. How much? 90, because right angle at y, it is given in the problem. It is given in the problem, it is 90. Now we got this as 30. 90 plus 30, 120. 120 means this should be 60, because sum of three angles in any triangle is 180. Like that you can do. Since, see here, angle, what is the name of this angle? Angle YXZ. See here, angle YXZ, this angle plus this angle. What is the name of this angle? Angle XZY. This angle name XZY. Name of this angle? Angle XZY. This angle plus this angle name. What is the name of this angle? XYZ. XYZ or ZYX, like that. You know how to name the angles you studied in the lower classes. XYZ. So sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle YXZ, we got it as 30 degrees. So this we don't know, this we have to find. Plus angle XYZ, this angle is 90 degrees, is equal to 180. 90 plus 30 is 120. Take 120 to the right side, it will become minus 120. 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. Right now. This angle also we see, to find this angle, same you take another, choose a convenient ratio, trigonometric ratio. If we take cos, we can find this angle also. Cos we can, if you take cos, we can find this angle. Or sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. This is just now we got 30. This we don't know. This already given in the problem, 90 degrees. 90 plus 30, 120. 120 that side minus 120. 180 minus 120, 60 degrees. Using this concept also we can find this angle. This already we got. This I used this method. Otherwise, same like this also you can do. You can apply cos. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. For this angle, this will become hypotenuse. X by 2x is 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2 means for 60 degrees. Like that also we can get. Right now. Students, write the last problem of this exercise. Seventh problem. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That is an old concept. Whenever a triangle is introduced, so you know this. In any triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Draw the diagram also. Every time, whenever I am drawing the diagram, you have to copy the diagram also. So, seventh question is also very simple. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Now, seventh question. See the problem. Is it right to say that sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B? Justify your answer. See, sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Is it correct? Is it right or wrong? True or false? Justify your answer by giving an example. See, this is true or false, we have to prove. See here. I am taking A is equal to some angle and B is equal to some angle, and I will substitute on both sides. So let us verify whether it is true, right or wrong, whether this statement is true or false. So I am taking A is equal to say 60 degrees, B is equal to say 30 degrees. I am taking A is equal to C, B is equal to 30. A is equal to 60, B is equal to 30 I am taking. So I will take the left side. Sin A plus B I will find. I will find of this value separately. Let us check whether both are equal or not. We have to tell, is it right or wrong. So if it right means both should be equal, no? So I am taking some A is equal to 60, B is equal to 30. I will find this value. I will also find this value. Let us see both we are getting same answer or not. So I am taking the left side. See here. Take A, I took it as 60. B, I took it as 30. 60 plus 30 is 90. Sin 90 is 1. I took A is equal to 60, B is equal to 30. 60 plus 30 is 90. Sin 90 is 1. Now I am taking the right side. See here. What is the right side? Sin A plus sin B. This is the right side. A, how much I am taking? 60 degrees. B, how much I am taking? 30 degrees. So what is the answer? Sin 60 root 3. Sin 60 value. See, check the sin 60 value. Root 3 by 2. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. So 2 LCM. Numerator is root 3 plus 1. Are they equal? No, not equal. Both are not equal. Therefore, sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. That given statement is wrong. We took some values and proved it. Any values we can prove. Taking any values, but don't take 0. If you take 0, there will be some confusion. So don't take 0. Other than 0, take any values, both will not be equal. This is wrong statement. This is wrong statement. These two are not equal. So how we proved? By taking one angle, we have proved. We have proved that both are not equal. This statement is wrong. 60, 30, I took this. 0 don't take. 0 if you take, there will be some confusion. Okay, write down. 60, 30 will be convenient. Take 60, 30 only. Students, actually 11.2 exercise is over, but for the next exercise again we have to study some formulas. So tomorrow we will start that exercise in fresh. So meanwhile I am solving some important examples. So very very important example in this exercise only. Find A comma B. This is one important example, example 7. Important question. Students, see here. Given, I am starting the problem. Don't write. Sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. Important problem for exam. Sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. This is given, no? For what angle of sine we will get 1 by 2? That you have to write. Or else I will write like this. Left side is sine, no? Left side is what? Sine. Right side also write sine. 1 by 2 you write in terms of sine. 1 by 2 you write in terms of sine. Hello? అది ఎట్లా చేయాలి మా ఒకసారి నువ్వు అది తీయచ్చా ఇదా అది మీరు చూద్దాం అది చందన వాళ్ళ క్లాస్ ఉన్నది అది ఇట్లా పెట్టుకోండి ఆ చందన ప్రిన్సిపల్తో మాట్లాడుకోండి. Okay, see here, sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, no? So this is sin 1 by 2 also. Directly we can write, but I am writing one more step here. So this is sin. Write 1 by 2 also in terms of sin. Sin of how much gives 1 by 2? Sin of what angle gives 1 by 2? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 how much? 1 by 2. This is sin. I will write 1 by 2 also in terms of sin. 1 by 2 is how much? Sin 30. So sin same. A minus B is equal to how much? A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. First equation. Take this. See here, don't write. Cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Cos A plus B is equal to, write down 1 by 2 in terms of cos. Because this is cos, this also you write in cos. 1 by 2 is cos of how many degrees? Cos of how much is 1 by 2? Cos of how much is 1 by 2? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 for what angle? 60 degrees. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. This is cos means write this also in terms of cos. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. See the formulas. Now a plus b is equal to how much? Just a comparison. A plus b is 60. A plus b is equal to 60. Now how I am solving? See, solving 1 and 2. You know how to solve the equations. You studied in the lower classes. See how to solve. A minus b is equal to 30 degrees. First equation. Second equation is what? A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Second equation. So how to solve the equations? Add. I wrote the first equation. I wrote the second equation. I am adding these two. A plus a, 2a. A plus a, 2a. Minus b plus b cancel. Minus b plus b cancel. 30 plus 60, 90. A is equal to 90 by 2. 90 by 2. 90 by 2. How much? 45 degrees. A is 45. We have to find b also. Take any equation, first or second. See, I am taking the second equation. A plus b is equal to how much? 60. This is which equation? Second I am taking. I am taking the second equation. In this I got a as 45. B I don't know. I have to find. So b is equal to how much? 60 minus 45 is equal to how much? 15 degrees. So we got a value, b value. 1 by 2, this is the equation given. 1 by 2 is written as sin 30. Sin 30 how much? 1 by 2. So a, by simple comparison, a minus b is equal to 30. First equation. This is given. So 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60. Cos same. A plus b is equal to 60. Adding these two, a plus a, 2a minus b plus b cancel. 30 plus 60, 90. 90 by 2 is 45. A plus b is equal to 60. This equation, a is 45. 45 that side, 60 minus 45 is 50. So therefore, a is equal to 45 degrees, b is equal to 15 degrees. Answers. This is one important example. Right.